How to make a ghostly illusion image with iPhone.
Hello guys, what's up? Today we're going to learn how to make a ghostly illusion picture with your iPhone. Alrighty, so first we have to adjust some settings in our phone.
Alrighty, to adjust our settings, let's go into the camera app. Okay, now that I'm in the camera app, I'm going to click this little up arrow to access the timer. Now when I click the timer option, I got to set it for 3 seconds. 10 seconds is too much, 3 is perfect. Okay, now that I click that back to get out of it, you have to make sure this little option over here, live, is on. It's because after we take our photo, we'll go 3, 2, 1, person will move. Then when we click on the photo, where you see the live drop down, you're going to set it to long exposure, and that's how you get your ghost image.
Okay, now that we got all our settings done, let's go find a ghostly spot. Follow me. Alrighty, now we've arrived at our destination, the locker. So my idea is that I'm going to be floating out of this locker. So I have to get into the position that I want to make it seem like I'm doing. Then my friend's going to start the 3-second timer. He's going to go 3, 2, 1. On 1, I'm going to walk away.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Now we're going to change it from live to long exposure. And we get something that sometimes it's hard to see, but when you go into your to edit the photo, you adjust some of the filters. If you look through some of the filters, sometimes silver tone is good, but I think this time a dramatic warm would be perfect. Now we're going to adjust some of the brilliance, the contrast with the one I'm looking for. Brightness, bring that down, adjust the warmth to kind of give the lockers more of a feel, you can adjust the tint, adding a vignette sometimes helps. Alrighty.